Hello students. Welcome back to the channel. This video will focus on. In the previous video on gas, we have learned that the ideal gas equation, PV equals nRT, is only obeyed by ideal gas. Ideal gas is the gas that obey all gas laws, under all conditions of pressure and temperature. But, ideal gas is not a real gas. Or in reality, gases do not behave ideally. This is an example, to explain the difference between ideal gas and real gas. For example, an ideal chemistry student is the one that can study chemistry for 20 hours straight. But, in reality, does this kind of student exist? Of course not. You don't have to be that extreme. A normal student might only study about 3 to 4 hours a day. He might want to check his phone, or go lapuk, at the cafe. This is the real student. Real gas versus ideal gas. They differ in the volume of particles and the presence of attractive forces or intermolecular forces. How do we know real gases deviate slightly from ideal gas? The answer is from graph of PV versus P. Why real gases do not behave like ideal gases. When will real gases approaching the ideal behavior? But, at high pressure and low temperature, volume of gas particles becomes significant. The intermolecular forces also become significant. Since the ideal gas equation, PV equals nRT, does not work exactly for real gases, at high pressure and low temperature, this equation needs to be adjusted. The conclusion for real gas and ideal gas. Now, let's try to answer these two questions. Number 1, state two differences between ideal gas and real gas. Next, state the conditions where real gas obey ideal gas.